Hello everyone, in this video we'll be discussing on coloring of cubes. Painting a cube. A big cube is painted orange in color and it is divided into 64 identical pieces. Find how many small cubes will have 3 face painted orange, 2 face painted orange, 1 face painted orange, 0 face painted orange. 3 face painted. 3 face painted cubes are always seen at the corners. For a cube of any dimension, number of corner cubes is always 8. Therefore, coloring a cube with one single color, number of 3 face painted cubes will be always 8. Number of 2 face painted cubes are always seen at the edges. That means on every edge except the corner one. So here it is 2. There are 12 edges, therefore 12 into 2, 24 small cubes. One side painted cubes are seen at the faces. That means here in this case, on every face we have 4. So a cube has 6 faces, so 6 into 4, 24. So one face painted cubes are 24. 0 face painted means cubes that are completely inside. We know that inside a 4x4x4 cube, you will get a 2x2x2 cube. So this cube is completely inside, therefore not at all painted. Therefore, 0 face painted cube is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. An n by n by n cube, when painted completely with one single color and divided equally into n cube smaller cubes, then the number of 3-side painted cubes is always given as 8 because it is always seen at the corners. So number of corners is 8, so it is always 8. 2-side painted cubes are always seen at the edges. That means on every edge except the corner one. So it is a multiple of 12, 12 into n minus 2. One-side painted cubes are seen at the faces, so it is a multiple of 6, 6 into n minus 2 the whole square, and n minus 2 the whole cube will give you 0 size painted cubes. Example 7. Opposite faces of a big cube is colored with red, black and green colors. After that, it is cut into 64 smaller cubes. How many small cubes are there? And which one face is green and other is either black or red. So we'll imagine the cube like this. If this side is green, opposite to that, so this side will be also green. Now we need 2-side painted cubes, so that means we are looking for the answers in the edges. So one side green, one side black means we got 2 here, 2 here, so total 4. One side green, one side red means we got 2 here, similarly here also. So we got 8 such cubes here. Similarly in the opposite side also we'll get 8. So total it is 8 into 2, 16. So 16 is the right answer.